Whether you're a musician, producer, podcaster, or video creator, having good audio is extremely important. With all of the new breakthroughs in artificial intelligence out there, having great audio has gotten easier, and today I'm going to show you 5 of the absolute best tools out there for enhancing your audio. I don't want to waste any time, so let's go ahead and jump in with the first one, and it's Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition is cutting-edge audio editing and creation software. This program sets industry standards for audio enhancement tools, offering everything from sound mixing and design to audio engineering and music production. It is an ideal product for audio professionals, musicians, podcasters, and video editors who require robust audio editing and post-production features. As an AI audio enhancer, Adobe Audition boasts attributes like the Essential Sound Panel, which enables you to achieve professional-grade sound even if you're an audio engineering novice. Furthermore, it includes multi-track editing, audio restoration, effects and processing, voiceover recording, and many more features, all seamlessly integrated with other Adobe applications. For professionals seeking a robust tool to improve their audio tracks, Adobe Audition stands at the forefront of the class. And you can check it out for free with paid plans starting at $27.99 a month. Now, we're going to go over a lot of awesome tools today, and if you want to check any of them out, go down into the video description below. There you're going to find links for all of them so you can try them for yourself. Now, if you do decide to make a purchase using any of these links, we may receive a commission, which goes to help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Next up, we have LANDR. LANDR is an online music software platform designed for creators, musicians, and music producers. It offers various tools and services that enhance music quality, streamline the music production process, and facilitate distribution. LANDR is best known for its automated AI-powered mastering service, which eliminates the guesswork in optimizing your audio and music. The software uses machine learning algorithms to enhance audio quality in music tracks automatically. This process involves analyzing uploaded tracks and tailoring a customized mastering chain that aligns with your uploaded track's specific style and genre. If you're after a comprehensive studio tool to enhance your audio, LANDR is undoubtedly the investment you should consider. And if that's you, paid plans start at $19.99 a year. Up next, we have LALAL.AI. LALAL.AI is an AI-powered tool tailored explicitly for audio stem splitting, which is the process of dividing an audio track into its individual components. This service enables the quick and accurate separation of elements such as vocals, drums, bass, piano, electric and acoustic guitars, and synthesizers while maintaining top-notch audio quality. For both complex and simple stem splitting, you need to use LALAL.AI. It uses AI effectively to simplify a complicated musical task, and it has rates to make it affordable and accessible for all types of musicians, producers, and hobbyists. You can check it out for yourself for free, with paid plans starting at a $15 one-time fee. Next up, we have Descript. Descript is a robust software solution tailored for podcasting and video editing tasks. In direct competition with Adobe Premiere, it presents an interface that is user-friendly and rich with accessible, efficient features. This unified audio and video editing platform provides ample capabilities, transcription, screen recording, multi-track and video editing, and even publishing. Descript is a tool with a wide range of video editing features, but it's particularly impressive in the audio department. Its advanced AI audio enhancement technology can remove background noise and cancel out echo, and it also offers one-click audio enhancements for optimal sound quality. This makes it a powerful and versatile tool for creators working in various media domains. Descript utilizes AI to enhance your audio and video content, effectively bridging the gap in content creation. You can check it out for yourself for free, with paid plans starting at $15 per month. And finally, we have Veed.io. Veed is an excellent video editor that comes with powerful audio tools. Its automatic subtitling, advanced video compression, and screen recording make it a standout option. However, the most impressive aspect of this video editor is its rich audio enhancement capabilities. You can enhance your video's audio quality, providing viewers with an exceptional auditory experience. Plus, the voiceover integration, audio mixing, and AI audio enhancement tools allow you to maximize your video editing skills. For those who find themselves constantly editing video and need an AI-enhanced tool for text, images, or video, look no further than Veed.io. Thanks to its AI capabilities, this neatly designed and easy to use suite of tools will make your content creation process smoother and more effective. They offer a free version for you to try out, and paid plans start at just $24 per month. So there you have 5 of the absolute best AI audio enhancers that you can get today. Before you go though, make sure you like this video and check out some of our other content, and I'll see you in the next one.